Good morning, everyone. This is Wizard One Canada bringing you another video. I haven't been doing many videos nowadays since I'm just too busy of work. But I decided to do this informational video here regarding my pair of Oakley Gascans. So these are very first generation Oakley Gascans. You can see for whatever reason the lenses have gone completely, I guess the coating on the lenses have gone completely out. It's all like a really matte finish there. I'm not sure exactly why it did that, but we're going to replace them here today. Okay, this is just for show. Probably going to do an unboxing video for this. For most of you people who collect Oakleys, you're probably going to know what this is already. If not, check out my next video regarding this. Okay, so yeah, we're going to replace these lenses here. So let's get at it. So actually, we'll just talk about the replacement lenses I picked up first. So these are eyeopeningstuff.com. There's no actual website on this, but I bought these on AliExpress during November 11th sale. I think they're on sale again at Black Friday and the Cyber Monday deals. So basically, we have an emerald green one, which is the one I'm planning to put onto these pair here. And then just a regular black polarized. So these are relatively cheap. I think the pair only worked out to, it was like $8 or $9 US for the pair shipped. So it's a great deal for replacing the lenses if you want to be on a budget. Yeah, so I was really excited to get the green ones because I've always wanted green ones. The emerald polarized lenses. I just never got around to getting any models with the emerald lenses. Try to open this up. Okay, take a look at what the lenses look like. So that's what the lenses look like. Look pretty snazzy. A little green and blue tints to it depending on how the light hits it. Okay, so to replace the lens is relatively simple. You want to pull up and down, like just up on this part and down on this part, and then you should be able to just push and pop up the lens. So there's the one lens. Again, you can see all the, I'm not sure what happened with that lens, but that's that. Let's do that with the other ones. Okay, other lenses out now. Okay, so the way you put in these lenses for these gas cans, you put the nose part in first, and then it should just snap in. There we go. So that's snapped in now. Other side. These ones seem to be a little tighter, but I'm not sure if they're supposed to be like that. But there we go, and they're in. So that's how you replace the lenses on the Oakley Gascans. We'll just clean this up a little bit. And there we go. So yeah, it looks blue, but then we have a green tint to it. Pretty sweet. I don't know what this is. I think this thing just supposedly is used to test to show that they are polarized. So you can see there's only one design here, but if you put the polarization lens there, you can see there's a fish that shows up. So I guess that proves that these are polarized. Well, thank you for watching. Can't wait to start wearing these again. I've been sitting around and being lazy to try to replace the lenses on this. I thought this is more of a manufacturer defect, so I tried to contact Oakley about it to see if they could do anything about it. They would not do anything about it, which is fine. So I finally decided to pick up replacement lenses here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for this. I'm very excited for this, and I'm sure some of you will be too. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And I'm hopefully going to try to do more videos on a more consistent basis. All right. Thanks for watching and have a great day.